Jai Hind everyone, welcome to another episode of Voice of Red Hackle, a podcast of the cadets, by the cadets and for the cadets. Today we have JU Karan and Sergeant Lakshika Rawat who have represented Delhi Directorate at the All India GV Mavlankar Shooting Championship. JU Karan has won 1 silver and 1 bronze medal and Sergeant Lakshika Rawat has won 3 bronze medal. So guys, before we talk about your shooting journey, let us know you guys first.
I am Junior and Officer Karan from 2D2 Delhi Battalion, PIT Pusa.
I'm Sergeant Lakshika Rawat from Ramanujan College, 5 Delhi Girls Battalion, and I hail from beautiful mountains of Himalayas, Pithoragarh, Uttarakhand.
Great, ma'am, great. So, can you tell us something about your achievements in shooting?
I achieve IDCC 2024 silver medal and All India GV Mavlankar Shooting Championship silver medal and bronze medal.
That's great to hear. So, could you guys elaborate something about how you guys started shooting or how your love for shooting started, the journey from beginning?
Starting with IDSSC 2024, I secured second position and DGNCC Appreciation Medal. And in 43rd North Zone Shooting Championship, I secured 2 silver medal. And in All India GV Maulanka Shooting Championship, I secured 3 bronze medal.
I am starting shooting in JD, open sight rifles, NCC rifles,
Okay.
using in TSC.
Hmm.
वहाँ से थोड़ा इंस्पिरेशन मिला कि शूटिंग में थोड़ा इंटरेस्ट आने लगा एंड धीरे धीरे फिर कॉलेज में आए IDCC कैंप के बारे में पता चला मैं हमने मतलब मेरे कॉलेज से नाम गए जो अच्छे से शूटर जिन्होंने पहले शूटिंग कर रखी थी उसके बेस पे वहाँ पे सिलेक्शन हुए एंड सेलेक्ट इन IDCC 2024 एंड देन स्टार्ट माय जर्नी.
Great, sir. Great to hear.
My journey started in 2019. I was a junior wing cadet in Uttarakhand. There were TSC selections, and from there the journey started. And then I was selected for IDSSC 2022 and IDSSC 2023. Then after coming to Delhi, I was selected for IDSSC 2024. And from here, I actually got to know what shooting exactly is. In Uttarakhand, we don't have much exposure to shooting, and there is lack of knowledge and lack of coaches.
Hmm.
But after coming to Delhi, I got answers to my questions related to shooting, and I actually got to know how shooting is done, what exactly shooting is, the essence of shooting.
Okay, ma'am. A long journey. So, can you please tell something about the gears and equipments which you use during your shooting?
I am using .22 ANSUS rifle and ammo LA10X. We are using NCC kits. NCC ने जो हमें किट्स प्रोवाइड करी है वो हम यूज़ करते हैं जो अभी अभी NCC ने हमें दिल्ली डायरेक्टेड ने न्यू किट्स प्रोवाइड करी है एंड ग्लव्स स्लिंग बेल्ट अपर एंड लोअर प्रोवाइड कर.
In shooting, we use multiple equipments. Starting with the kit, we have a shooting upper and a trouser that particularly gives stability to our body while we are shooting. And then there's our weapon. They are of different types. We are currently using .22 rifles. I'm using Walther KK500, and we use other multiple things like in kneeling we use a kneeling roll
Okay.
and a kneeling pad. Then we have sling that holds up our rifle, and then in standing we have stands and all.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, tell us something about what qualities do you guys think are essential for an athlete or specifically for a shooter? What qualities do you think which are necessary?
एथलीट्स के लिए मेन क्वालिटीज़ होनी चाहिए डिसिप्लिन. अगर आप डिसिप्लिन में हो तो आप कुछ भी अचीव कर सकते हो.
Okay.
एंड डेली प्रैक्टिस जो आप जिस भी आप गेम में हो उसकी आपको डेली प्रैक्टिस मिलनी चाहिए या फिर आपको डेली प्रैक्टिस करनी चाहिए. लाइक वी आर शूटर्स सो डेली रेंजेस ड्राई प्रैक्टिस एंड दिल्ली डायरेक्टेड ने जो इक्विपमेंट्स हमें दिए हैं उसके बेस पे आज हम यहाँ पर हैं. तो एक एथलीट के लिए डिसिप्लिन एंड मोटिवेशन भी बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है.
Right, sir. Right. Rightly said.
For shooting, patience is the key. Patience, focus, and calmness. When we are shooting, we are very calm. We don't have a thought in our mind. We can only see the target, and we are just following a process of loading and fire. This is it, and discipline, perseverance, and consistency, obviously.
Okay, tell us that how NCC has contributed in your shooting journey or your journey throughout these camps. What is the contribution you think NCC has done for you guys?
जो करा है सब कुछ एनसीसी ने करा है अभी, लाइक हमें वेपन्स दिए एनसीसी ने,
Hmm.
न्यू किट्स प्रोवाइड करी, उसके बाद रेंजेस अलॉट हुई, इनफैक्ट डिजिटल रेंजेस हमें दी गई, डॉक्टर करण सिंह शूटिंग रेंज, उसके बाद डेली प्रैक्टिसेस हुई, ये सब एनसीसी ने कंट्रीब्यूट करा है हमारे प्रैक्टिसेस के लिए।
As J.U. Karan mentioned, whatever we are because of NCC, and we are very grateful to Delhi Directorate, ADG sir, DDG sir, the PI staff who supported us, Havaldar A.K. Yadav sir, and our coach, obviously. Only because of them we are able to showcase our real talent in shooting. And Delhi Directorate provided us with the best kits, best equipments, best rifles,
Hmm.
and practices, consistent practices. And whenever we faced any complication or challenges during our camps and in our practice, Delhi Directorate was always there to help us out. And only because of Delhi Directorate, we were able to truly explore shooting and uh, bring the best from us.
So, guys, time for some rapid fire questions. You guys can answer one by one. First is, what's the first thought that comes to your mind before taking a shot?
नथिंग।
Actually, nothing. We are so focused during our shot, and we have a clear mind while we take a shot. We can just see the bull, our process, our trigger. We can feel our trigger. That's it.
Great. How was your first ever shooting experience?
गुड।
Actually, it was amazing, and the life beyond the range is something different. We can experience we can't explain. The life, the scene, which we can see through our sights, that is totally different. That takes us to some other world. We sometimes cannot hear anything from behind, or we can't see anything.
So, guys, tell us something about your daily schedule for shooting practice.
Our day starts at 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock. Then we go for running, exercise, and then we have range from 8:30 till 5 p.m. In range, we practice our different positions and whatever we are lacking in. Then after coming from range, we do our stuff like college studies and all, and some hobbies like I do sketching and painting. Then after that, we have a bit of exercises sessions. Um, then we have 8 hours of sleep.
Same schedule for you, too, sir.
यस।
So, guys, I'll tell you some words. You have to tell your favorite thing about that word. So, first is rifle,
.22 ऑल था।
.22 Walther KK500,
ammo,
L10X।
Lapu and Elite-NX,
favorite position.
स्टैंडिंग।
kneeling.
So, before we end this podcast, any message do you guys would like to share to our audience?
ऑडियंस को मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि एनसीसी ज्वाइन करिए, और अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ बहुत सारी हैं एनसीसी में, बहुत सारे कैंप हैं, शूटिंग ही नहीं है और भी बहुत सारे कैंप हैं, ट्रेनिंग, ट्रैकिंग, माउंटेनिंग एंड और भी बहुत सारे जो अभी मुझे भी नहीं पता। इतने सारे कैंप हैं एनसीसी में और बहुत सारे अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ है, तो एनसीसी ज्वाइन करिए।
I would like to give this advice that patience is power. If you're patient, if you're dedicated towards your goal, like Delhi NCC gave us a chance to set an aim, set a goal, and work for it, and they always supported us. So just go for your dreams, and everybody will be there for you.
Rightly said, ma'am. Rightly said, sir. It was nice listening to your experiences. Thank you. Jai
Jai
Hind.
Hind.